My name is Bertie Trump, and I'm reporting to you from the United States of whatever, from the Orange House. We are talking about a small problem we have regarding a minuscule virus in the United States. First question, please.
What is the situation with coronavirus?
The situation. That is a very good question. First of all, we are near the peak of the outbreak, the pandemic. So we have decided to open, or start to reopen partially, several states. Over half. This will save many people. If you happen to be an owner of a Humvee or a monster truck, for example, you can go back to work tomorrow because we need to sell some oil. Next question, please.
What protections are in place?
The protections that we have in place, due to a small national shortage of disinfectant, we have started to mass manufacture some completely unproven drugs which no one has ever tried at a mere cost of $25 trillion. Until these drugs are available, we can help defeat the coronavirus by inhaling large amounts of fumes from gasoline.
But that would kill you.
I was being sarcastic. You are a terrible journalist. Next question, please.
What is the cause of coronavirus?
Well, we have absolutely no evidence whatsoever, but I have personally seen this evidence, and it is actually the many packages were sent out off to every country in the world, including the country to whoever sent them out. These packages contained an empty box, which was made from plastic with a lid on it. And these boxes had a sticker on the side of them that says, "Sniff me." Also included in these packages was a note. Now, this note is the biggest mystery of them all. It says, "People try to put us down, talking about my generation." I have no idea what that means, but we have ABC, FOX, and EDF on the case, and we will catch the perpetrators! Next question, please.
That is very nice to know. Many people have said you are the cleverest president ever. Is this true?
You are the best journalist I have ever met. And when I will pay your mortgage off when I borrowed some more money from China. In fact, just to prove this amazing journalist's point there, I actually completed a jigsaw in just 1 week. 1 week! And I think that must be some sort of new world record, because on the side of the box it says 2 to 4 years! Whew, I couldn't believe it myself. I tell you what. Anyway, I've got to go. It's getting a bit stormy. I need some Jack Daniels. I'll catch you guys next time on the next update. Good night.